I remember this time when I had this crappy job, man. It literally made me sick because you come in every day, it's boring, repetitive, no engagement, no interacting with people. It's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, code. And I can only tell you guys how demoralizing, how boring, how it just gets to you every day. You got to do this, and then it start to affect your health. It start to make you sick, and then the worst part about it is you're stuck. You got a lot of bills, you got a lot of debt, you got you can't leave, you can't find another job, or nobody won't hire you. It just it sucks. It really sucks. And if you continue to be in this situation, don't I was there for a year and a half.